I like when you smile like that. That cute little head nod. Oh man. I'm saying you're beautiful, like you're so adorable. I just want to like snuggle you, you know. But, like when I see you, it's just like I just feel like this way that I don't really feel, and it's just crazy to me. Like, sometimes I sit back and I'm like, how the hell, did this happen? What I mean by that is like, I am so lucky to have you in my life because you're just so amazing, and you're incredible, and I just want to do my best and protect you and take care of you. Like every time I see you, I'm like, damn, it's like a reminder to step up, at all times. And you're that. You're that. If that makes sense. Does that make sense? I don't know. But, like sitting here with you right now, it's like we went through so much and it led to this, and now we can just like be happy and live in the moment, and just be here right now. Just even your breath is just enough, like just watching you with your eyes closed and just cozy and comfortable and beautiful. Just a reminder, like, damn, like, that's my girlfriend. That's who I want in my life. You gonna go to sleep soon? Yeah, so am I. I just want to tell you that because, like, it's been it's, it's been a while now for us. It's been 4 months, and I feel like I'm like, I don't should I I just I'm afraid to say the L word. Is it too early? But no, but like for real, like seriously, like when you're not around, I'm like, is she okay? Like I think about you all the time, and it's like this big wake up call. Like I have to be there for you, and I will. So like I just love everything about you. Like you're sweet, you're so kind and thoughtful, and you even think about like the littlest things, like the things I wouldn't even think about. Like, let's be honest. Like, just like you took care of me in ways that I didn't think about, and I want to thank you for that, and I want to return the favor to you and give you the best. scoot up. Here, come here. Just play with your hair. I'm sorry I'm messing it up, but it's so soft. I want to mess it up all the time. I know you hate that too. Yeah. But I won't do too much. I'm just gonna like touch this. Is that okay? How about this, like this little bit of hair? Oh, all the hair. Okay. Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that. Yeah. Or just like here. Give you a little massage on it. You like that? A little higher? Right there. Alright. Yeah. There we go. Oh yeah, I see it in your eyes. Yeah. What conditioner did you use? It smells really good. I might need some of that. Unless you, like, maybe whenever we go back to the store, you can, like, pick out what you'd like for me to use, you know? Whatever you want me to smell like, I'm down for it. We can get, like, other things too, you know? You're really tired. I know. You know what we should do? Probably like this weekend? I was thinking, like, why don't you and I, we can, like, go to the lake, you know? Just you and I. We can go for a nice walk, get our tennis shoes on, and I get my tank top, and, you know, something nice for us. We can get, like, snacks. I can get, like, a little wrap, right? And get sandwiches in there. That'll be nice. Would you like that? Just you and I? We can just sit next to the water. And you know what's cool? I think there was this cool little statue on the side of a lake. I forgot what the statue was about, but it's like this little stone bench thing. And we can go there and take some photos, you know? We can look at the water. Just hear the water, you know? The sound of it, it's just, I love it. And we don't have to go when it's like blazing hot outside. We can like go when it's a little bit cooler, or a day where the weather's really nice, and we can either watch it on a bright sunny day or when it's more on the sunset area, you know? Sunset area. Whatever that means. But you know what I mean, like when it's sunset. It'd be really nice, and then we can drive back home and watch a movie, you and I. That would be really nice. And I believe it's your turn to pick the movie this time. You already saw my movie, but yeah. And then after we watch the movie, like, I can make you something to eat. You know, I've been working on my cooking, you know. Make you like a nice Little chicken Alfredo. Unless if you don't like pasta, do you like pasta? Okay. We'll make it work.